Hey, it's Patrick again. Today I'm going to show you how to add rows and columns to your design in Framer. Navigate to a section in your design and use the layout panel at the top to add frames, rows, columns, or grids. We'll add columns. Click and drag to create this stack, and you can see that in your layers panel it will appear as a stack with frames inside. There you go. Organized into columns. To add more columns to the stack, copy and paste. To add more, or using Option on Mac, click and drag to duplicate. So here we copied them, and here we click Option and then we drag it to the right, and we can duplicate that way as well. We'll leave it as 2. Clicking on the stack, navigate to Layout, and here you can adjust the gap between the columns. You can adjust the padding around the columns down here, and you can even change it into rows or back to columns. If you're designing responsibly, this will automatically appear in your tablet view, where you can make minor adjustments if needed. And a mobile view where it will adjust to rows if it fits better. And there you have it. That's how you add columns to your designs in Framer. See you soon.